Syllabus is also with me, and yes. So here is basically Apache Kafka. So why we need, and again, what is this basically? Everything we can discuss today in this class, and again, how to do the lab setup also. What is this brokers? What is this producers? What is this consumers? In these brokers, how many partitions can we make it out? And again, what is this replication factors? All this are terminologies also we can able to understand this concept quickly. So this is the producers, consumers, and again the basically one broker, right? So this in the broker nodes, we have a partitions topics. So your topics will be there and again partitions will be there, right? So the topics can be divided into multiple partitions, right? So depending upon our use cases. So right. And again producers publish messages, messages stored in brokers, replication for fault tolerance, consumers for reading messages, offset for message tracking, coordination and metadata managements. Everything is here. Okay. Meanwhile, partition 1, partition 2, partition 3 is how to do this. This is a basic architecture. Producer, consumer, in this year, brokers. Like if it is a single Kafka broker setup, we will be having single node, right? But if it is a 5 brokers, multiple source producers will be there, and again multiple consumers will be also there. Okay, that depending upon that, everything we can see this. And again, this is what brokers, producers, all these things scenarios. And 1 second, just I will give the high level black diagram, that's it. But once the lab setup is completely done, completely deep dive into the details of the each part and again each terminologies. Okay, right? And this is a basic information. Okay. Yeah. So here, how to set up multi-broker Kafka setup, 3 Kafka nodes and again 3 zookeeper nodes also we can do, or else 1 Kafka broker and again 1 Kafka zookeeper also, it is fine. Okay, anything is fine. So now, how many of them are good at which operating system I need to take it forward? Windows or Linux, both at a time?
Yeah, both is good.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So first I will show it out today from the first Windows machine. Okay. From the
Sir,
first. Yeah.
sorry, like which Apache, like which Kafka that we are going to use, Apache or Confluence Kafka?
No,
Which
no,
one we are?
Apache Kafka. Apache Kafka.
Are we going to discuss any schema registry kind of thing with Apache? It won't support it. Schema registry kind of thing.
Those things it will not support. Yes, of course. But in the conflict also, take a later part, after completion of our classes, we can take it out to that also. Yeah.
Why? Because this schema registry and even Avro format kind of things also are going to discuss or
Yes, yes, we are going to discuss that also. Yeah.
okay.
Great. So now today in this first demo class, directly I will be going to set up the lab setup with Windows single Kafka node and again Linux single Kafka node, right? So now quickly I will do this both the activities. Everything I will provision in AWS cloud. So hello, Anil, Deepak, Kamal, Litesh, Ramu, Samuel, Srishankar. So Rajesh, yeah. So I'm taking forward now. So AWS. In this AWS, sign in. So I think everyone will be having the lab setups. So today in this lab setup, notepad, single Kafka node, single Kafka broker, setup in Windows machine and AWS cloud. Okay. Same thing. This is scenario 1, first scenario. And this scenario. So what is this basically? We require a basic Windows server. Windows server. And again that we should install the prerequisites. Prerequisites are Java and again Kafka. And again, Zookeeper separate folder also we can install it, or else embedded Zookeeper folder will be default installed in the Kafka node, Kafka folder, Zookeeper. And the next one is also we need to set the environment variables, setting environment variables. Environment variables quickly, okay. Provisioning Windows server. Provisioning Windows server in AWS cloud with the configuration of T2 X large. We can take it out because to get a quicker performance, right? So quickly we can do this. I am user, so I can log into the Vishwa. And again, so I don't want to waste in live classes lab setting purpose. So that's why in the demo classes only, I want to make it out this.
Vishwa, is this Java is required for Kafka?
Yes, definitely Java is required. Okay. All right. So now go back to the Windows machine, EC2 machine. In this case, instance as one. Now let me check. Oh, okay. One machine is still running here. Fine. Let me terminate this instance. I'll be doing the recording also.
Vishwa, I don't have any Java knowledge. Is it understand or not, Vishwa?
Sorry, can you please come again?
I don't have any Java knowledge, actually.
Okay, see,
I'm a
basically,
data engineer.
yes,
I
yes,
know
yeah.
I know PySpark only.
All right. So this Kafka Zookeeper class is completely about the Java. So basically, Kafka Zookeeper is administrative level and again developer level. How to write a code is not important for us. How to integrate and again how to do configurations and again how to do the backups and again how to do the security purpose. That's it. Apart from that, nothing. Okay. All right. So
Okay.
now let it be. So launch instance. So first today Kafka node, Kafka Windows broker. Single broker. I can give the name here. And again, the Windows machine. I can take the Windows AMI. The first step is like tag. Second step is like AMI. Yeah, I can take the 2025 base. Core base is nothing but is a CLI. I can take it out base. And again here, I want to take the little bit higher configurations here. I want to take okay. Let me take it out like T3 X large. Or else 8-core CPU, 32 GB RAM with quicker performance. Okay, I need quicker performance for the lab demo purpose. I'm taking this 32 JAVA, 32 GB RAM, 8-core CPU, and again create a new key pair. Single Kafka, Windows. PEM file, create a key pair, download. Next again edit. So now I can give that any location here. And we should open the port numbers 9092 and again 2181. So Zookeeper and again Kafka port numbers there. Okay, I can open any port number. 2181 Zookeeper port number, my IP, and again add security groups, custom TCP. All right. So again 9092. Anywhere my IP or anywhere we can give it out. But I can give anywhere, here also anywhere. All right. These are the two numbers. So then again, I can give the little bit 100 GB. That's it. Rest of things don't need to do any configurations here, right? So first step again, quick recall, tags. Second one is selecting AMI. Third step is taking the 8-core CPU, 32 GB RAM for the faster performance. That's it. Then again, we need to open the port number 21819092. And again, by default, 3389 port number will be there for Windows machines. And again, number of instance one, launch instance. Okay, just it will be taking a couple of minutes. View all instances. All right. So now, meanwhile, we'll be able to understand this Kafka Zookeeper architecture. Kafka Zookeeper architecture here. Click on this. We'll take any sample example here. All right. So okay, let me take this only. Or else my documentation also fine. I think it's fine. So how many of them are new to Kafka? I mean,
I am new.
Samuel
I
is new.
also new. First time.
All right. So generally, what is
Yeah,
Kafka?
I am also new.
All right. So what is Kafka, and again, what is Zookeeper? Why we need to use? Any idea? What is the
Okay.
use case?
Zookeeper will maintain the nodes, all the nodes information, and then it will distribute to the Kafka clusters.
Okay. Apart from this, right? So yes, the session is like 1 hour, 2 hour, might be 1 hour. So basically, like lab setup and again a discussion, right? See, basically Apache Kafka. What is a Kafka? It is a distributed event streaming platform, right? So it is designed to handle real-time data feeding. The data feeds might be multiple sources, right? And also it enables applications, right? So it will be enabling the applications to publish and again subscribe the messages, right? Those are the main things. Basically, it's a distributed event streaming event, okay? And what is a Zookeeper then? What is a Zookeeper? Zookeeper is a coordination services. Basically, it is a centralized services. What exactly the focus of Kafka will do? Kafka, it will be processing the messages and again, it will be managing the real-time data streams. That is the main thing. And again, Zookeeper, it will coordinate the distributed systems. That's the main thing. And again, it will maintain the metadata for the Kafka clusters. But the main thing here, we need to understand what is the role in clusters, what are the leader elections, what is the metadata storages, what is the fault tolerance, what is the fault tolerance, everything. But here we need to understand how Kafka and again Zookeeper collaborate each other, work each other, and again work together, right? How exactly? See, whenever we set Kafka, right? So Kafka cluster setup, whenever we do the setup, basically we need to understand the Kafka and again Zookeeper communication. Basically, nowadays Zookeeper will be deprecating. Craft is more implementing now, right? So, but still, Zookeeper is standalone services where it can be supporting to the Kafka, right? So basically, generally, what Zookeeper will do, and again, what Kafka will do. Kafka, what it will do? Kafka will be registering the brokers, right? Kafka will register the each broker's topics. In the topics, we have a multiple metadatas depending upon the partitions wise, right? But what Zookeeper will do? Zookeeper will be aligns and it will be assigning to the roles. What it will be assigning the roles to the brokers? Kafka brokers. That what it will do exactly the role assigning, it will be selecting the leaders. It will be selecting the leaders to make a specific partitions that we can see in the practically. Right. So anyway, so we'll come back. Very important to understand how both together it works. Okay. Okay. Now the machine is completely ready here. I'll come back to the theoretical part. So yeah, T3.2x large system, 3x3 check passed. Now I want to connect to this instance. Connect RDP client, download RDP, and you can get password for this. Whatever I have given the password, I mean, win file, single Kafka win, upload private key file. Fine. Here we know generally how to connect from Windows machine to Windows machine, right? In the AWS, again, decrypt the password. Copy this password. We can change this password also. Copy. And you can open this downloaded RDP. Open this. Connect. Paste. Click IP. And again connect OK. All right. The machine is faster way of responding because of high-end configurations. I think for everyone, my screen is visible, right? Hello, hello, hello. All right, so my screen is just loading. Fine. Is it my screen is visible, right? Everyone, hello. All right, so now let it go back.
Yes, your screen is visible.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, okay. So now I provision this Windows server and again just I logged in. So now what I should do? I want to. So inside this machine, first thing I want to go to. I want to check here. All right, nothing is installed in this machine. So now everything is clean setup, 100 GB. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll be downloading your Java and again Kafka and again I'll be setting the environment variables. Start without data, confirm and continue, confirm and start browsing. Click OK. And again, now what I should do, Kafka. First thing I want to download the Kafka download. So here we can do the Kafka download, the main web page. So 3.8.1. So we can take, always we should take one version below, right? So because it will be stable, download this. It will be like, gun zip. It is downloaded. And again, after downloading, download Java also. You can go back here. If you want Java 11 also fine, Java 17 also fine, 21 is also fine, or 1.8 is also fine. Both is fine, okay? So whichever the version is fine, we can take it out. And okay, we can download Java 1.8 is also fine, or 11 is also fine. Anything is fine, okay? So I'll show if we have it, if we download this 1.8, JDK and again JD will come two separately. But if we download the Java 11, both it will come at a time. That's one of the thing. So any version is fine, but it will support say above Java 1.8 onwards. Okay, we can download this. Okay, I'll be downloading this Java. I'm signing in. Okay, failure from page, but still we need to add. Okay, Java is downloading. All right, so both are downloaded. Open these files. All right, so now let it be installed this Java. Okay, click next. Next. It will take some time. Click OK. Yeah, fine. Click next. All right, so now all right, Java has been installed. Now again, extract all here. By default, 2025 Windows version server default gun zip will be 7-zip will be installed. So that's why no need to install manually 7-zip. Extract. Yes, it is extracted. Go back here. Downloads. Copy. And yeah, fine. So now we can copy this path. We can copy this. And again, we can place it out in C drive. The C drive, fine. Anywhere is fine. And again, we can rename also this one. Kafka. Enter. Fine. So now up to here, first step is done. And again, the second step. Now what I should do, go to the program files of 64-bit, copy the Java. We know generally how to set the environment variables. So I think everyone are aware of this. Copy. And again, env. Search the env, copy the Java variables. We need to set the two variables. And again, for that two variables, we need to set the path. Edit. So basically, I don't want to use any virtual machines there, because in real-time scenario, the servers will be like this, individual servers. And you can also cloud-based also they will be using, okay? Environment variables, and you can click on this Java home, paste here, done. First one is done. Second one, then again JRK, JRE, copy. Then again, click on this. Oh, where is JRE only, in this path only. Two variables will insert. Click OK. Next, third variable we should take Kafka. Can take this Kafka, third variable. Kafka home. Okay, fine. Now three variables we did, but we need to set the path of each variable. Edit. Basically, how to do this? Click on the path, click on edit, click on the new. Then again, first I will be setting the Kafka bin path, right? So then again, after that, second one new. I want the Java path. Here, copy this path and again paste it here. Bin. JDK bin also fine. JRE bin. JRE bin path also we should do. Click on the new. Fine. So we did three setups of variables. Java variable, Java home variable, JRE home variable, Kafka variables. Then after that, we did set up with path also, bin path. Click OK. Click OK. And click apply and go OK. Cancel this. Fine. So up to this, first step is ready with us, right? So then again, what I can do, I want to download this Notepad++. In this case, Notepad++. For editing of zookeeper.properties file and again server.properties file. Done. Everything is done now. Just minimize it. Again, go back to this window C. Then again Kafka. Here we need to change the properties file. We need to understand the properties file and again folder structure. So Kafka folder structure here. In this Kafka, we have binary folder, config folder, libraries folder, license folder, site documentation folder, right? In this binary folder, these are shell scripting, which is hosted in the Linux machines. So we can run these scripts. But if it is a Windows machine, all these are batch scripts. How to start the Kafka and again consumers and again producers, topics, all these things, right? Now, we want to open here CMD. Shortcut to open CMD. Right now we are in the we'll open in the either we can open the CMD or else also we can also open into the PowerShell also. Everything is fine. This is a Kafka path. Right now we are in the Kafka path. Now first I need to make the changes some few configurations. Go back to Kafka configuration folder. In this case, first we need to do the zookeeper properties changes or server.properties. We can take it out the server.properties. Just find here. Click on the new option. Sorry, server.properties file here. Now I want to make this access to the outside of the cluster also. By default, broker ID will be starting from the 0. And again, plain.txt listeners. Here I can make it out. I want to access from the outside of the machine also. Outside of the AWS cloud also. So that's why I want to make 0.0.02 outside access. And again, I want to give the public key IP here. Okay. I can give the private IP. I can access only within the server only. So that's why I want to give the public IP to access outside the AWS machine. So how to get the public IP here? Minimize. Copy the public IP of this instances. This is a public IP. Here 0.0.0 means I can access from anywhere. If you give the specific subnet, we can access the specific subnet only. Okay. 9092 is a broker, Kafka broker port number. Okay. Next, that's everything is fine. Log directory changes, modifications. Even though in my documentation also, I have modified everything. Here I can give the Windows machine like this. See, I can create a folder, temp folder, and again after that, Kafka folder. After that, Kafka logs. I can mention like this here. Okay. At least we should have a temp folder here. We should create a temp folder. Capital temp also fine. And again here I need to change the capital T. Okay. Let it be taken out this to copy. Then number of partitions 1. Everything is 1. Fine. So I think up to here no confusions. No need to do any modifications here. And again zookeeper.connect local host only we can give. Public IP also we can give. Other private IP also we can give. Okay. This is server.properties file. What does I change here? I added this path. Log directories. Outside access. Public IP. Right. Enter this. Control S. Okay. Now this is server.properties file. Same thing I want to do the modification for this zookeeper. I can give the C temp folder data zookeeper. Okay. I thought it's zoo only fine. Next line, port number, maximum client, enable services. Okay. If you want access outside the port number 8080, I'll show that later point. Now save this file. Also save this file. That's it. Zookeeper and again server.properties file, we did changes. Now I need to start the first zookeeper. How to start the zookeeper now? First, cd bin Windows fine. It will take some time. Zookeeper server start.bad. Configuration folder and zookeeper properties. Enter. If all goes well, zookeeper will start. Zookeeper is started. Okay. Okay, fine. Are we clear, right? Up to here, everyone? So, we are there, right? Everyone, hello, hello. Hello, Deepak, Latesh, Rajesh, Ramu, Samuel, Satish. Are we there, right?
Yes, Vishwa.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, now zookeeper is started. Now we'll do one thing. Now I want to start the Kafka. Important. This is single node Kafka broker setup in Windows machine. After this, quickly we can do it in the Linux machine. Then in the tomorrow's live class, 3 Kafka brokers, 3 zookeepers in Windows machine, same thing in Linux machine. Okay. Then after that, the next coming class is how to make the secure communication with Kafka brokers. Then after that, how to do the administration with the user level. Then again, how to write the code and again, how to do the integrations, all these things scenario. Okay. CD bin. Next, I want to start the Kafka. So here is a script. Sorry. See here, I want to start the Kafka server.stat. Copy this. Copy this. And again, your config server.properties file. Enter. Okay. So, okay. See, now it is telling that in this script, there is something error. WMIC is not recognized. We'll check it out. We'll log into this script, this PC, because all the latest version of Kafka will not support the, they are using the older format of operating system architecture. So this WMIC command is not working for this. How to troubleshoot, we'll do it quickly. I'll show this, where is the error. So bin folder, Windows, and again Kafka server stat here, right? Same thing for this also will be there. See, zookeeper server. No, why zookeeper? I want Kafka server start. Okay. Okay, Kafka server. Okay. WMIC is not recognizing. Okay. So that's why what I can do, I can just, there is one command is missing. I can copy this and again, I can go back to the chat GPT. It will give the complete code. I'll show the error where exactly. Can show this output also. See, WMAC is not recognized. Okay. Okay. See. We'll wait for this. See, the issue is WMIC command is duplicated. Okay. In recent window, versions of Windows, it might not be available in your system. We can replace the logic of OS architecture with an alternative method. Below is a set command. Process architecture. Okay. Key changes. Remove WMIC command. Replace it with a check processor architecture. This is a problem. Okay. Simplified architecture detections here. This is 32-bit, 64-bit. Now I can take this command, copy. Then again, I can replace this exists. I can replace this code. And I can run. So now Kafka started with the broker ID 0. I mean server ID 0 because we do have one Kafka node, right? So that's why. And again, we can able to access this outside. Fine. Now, Zookeeper we started. Kafka also we started. Right? Now what I should do? I want to create a topics. Right? Or else I want to check the status of this node. How to check? Come back here. Here we can make it out. Kafka. Here we can replace it out. Zookeeper. Right? And again here you can make it out. Same node only we can connect. Disconnected already. And you can bin Kafka bin. Okay. Then again Zookeeper. Sorry. Go back to the Windows machine. CD Windows. Zookeeper. Server status shell.bat. Okay. In this case, localhost. I want to check the status of this Zookeeper, whether it is running or not. Yes. See, welcome to Zookeeper. JLN support is disabled. If you want access from the outside, we can enable it. And you can watch here. Then you can state, right? Like this. If you want help of any commands, we can ping like this. Help of any commands. If you want like more commands like this, right? State all these things. These are the basic commands. If you want to state W, it will give the node also, everything. The state configurations, everything it will show. Okay. The same commands I'm using here. Fine, let it be. We'll take it out next step. Now, I want to create a topics. I'll make it out this. I want to create a topics. I can make it out topics here. Go back 1 second. Kafka, binary. Okay. How to create a topics? The basic commands. Kafka. Kafka topics. First, I can list the Kafka topic. Okay. How to list? The command is bootstrap -server localhost. Okay. 9092. Right now, we don't have any Kafka. Okay. Sorry. This should be in the Windows machine. Okay. Kafka. See, right now I don't have any list topics, I think. Okay. The command is topics. Topics, sorry. These are the things we did here. Now, I want to create a topics, but before creating the topics, right now we don't have any list at all, any topics. Okay. Now I want to create a topics. Okay. This is the command. Topics.sh create topic, test topic, partitions, replication factors, bootstrap server, localhost 9092, describe topics, everything will be there. After that, topic. Okay. This is the documentations. I will go back. Quickly, I'll be creating one topic. Right now, we don't have any topics at all. If an topic. We copy this command, sorry. Select a bit of like this. Okay, sorry. Now, what I want to create the topic Kafka topics, not bad. I want to create a topic. I can create topic. I can create topic. I can give the topic name, demo class. Okay. Next again. I can give the partitions. How many partitions we want? We can give them so many partitions. Partitions. I can give 5 partitions here. And again, replication factors. Will it work? Replication factor if I give 2? Anyone? Will it work? It won't work, right?
No, it
Application.
won't work on 1, 3, and 5 only.
Yes. Bootstrap server and again localhost 9092. So why it will not work in the sense? Basically, we don't have a 2 nodes. So that's why it would work. Let me check here. It's taking some time. I should create it actually.
That's why your voice is low.
Is it audible, right? Hello? Yeah. Okay, okay. Is it okay now?
Oh, it's fine.
Okay. See, it is throwing error because timed out one screen. Kafka is running. Yes, it is running. It is running. Zookeeper is also running. Fine. Topics only. Okay, anyway, let me check quickly again. I don't know why it is taking so much of time, but still we'll wait. It's coming. I'll make it out only one.
Sir, why it taking so much time to consume the message?
No, just creating the topic. It is taking some time here.
Oh,
Even though, like, I provisioned 32 GB RAM, 8-core CPU. Timed out for node assignment. Okay. Kafka node is running here. Node disconnected. 65. Okay. Okay. Temp folder. Okay. Data is there. Fine. Kafka is also setting ready. Kafka logs. Okay. Meta properties. Everything is created. Then it should work. Timed out. Let me take out this error. File this error. Place it on this. What is the error? Oh, due to my internet speed. Okay. Everything is fine. Local host only, advertised, everything is perfect. Listeners, plain text. Hmm. Check it out. Even for listing topics, also is checking sometime. We'll do one thing. In Windows machine, we should open the firewall, firewall.cpl. This is for access from the outside, but anyway, I'll open the port number with this one. Inbound port nodes, new rule, ports, click next. All local ports we can give are 9092 and again 2181 comma we can give 9092 comma 2181 comma 9093. Anything is fine. Click next, next, next. We can give Kafka Zookeeper. Is it fine? So refresh. This is to access from the outside, but anyway, internally it is not required.
Sir, by default, all the outbound rule is enabled, right?
Sorry.
By default, all the outbound
Yes, yes. By default,
outbound
also.
rule.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay. Yeah. So
so
now it is working. Yeah. Now it is working. There's no topics here. So it is giving the output. Now notice no topics. So now I want to create a topic here. Created one topic. Now it is creating. See, create topic. So now if I do one thing, if I create again demo class 1, 5 partitions with the 2 replication factors, it will throw the errors. So it will throw error because of no larger than 2 brokers available. Okay. Then in this case, I want to reduce this 1 only. Enter. So now 2 topics are created. Fine. So now we'll be checking how to list the topics. Now overall 2 topics will be listed here. See, now I want to describe the topics here. I want to describe the topic. Describe topic. How to describe your I want to remove this replication factors, everything to describe the topic. Partitions, remove this. Now it will show you. See, and again, even though if I enter demo class also, it will be showing the topics. So again, anyway, same thing I have typed it. So demo class 1 and again demo class also. So both are 5 partitions, right? So now what I want to do, I want to produce the messages. So how to do this? Go back. Kafka, Windows, bin Windows, okay, enter. Then again Kafka, console, Kafka console consumer, producer hyphen bad. Now here I want to give the producer messages, right? So I want to produce the messages here. So what's the topic name we are given? Topic. And topic is demo class. We can make it out. I'll give the demo class will be demo hyphen class.
sir, we can produce message to multiple topic at a time.
No, one single topic.
Oh.
So now describe topic now. I want to produce the topic, right? I can rename here producer. Okay, enter. Now let it be like this. Bootstrap open local server topic. Console. Console. What is it that? Topic demo class bootstrap server localhost 9092 enter. So now see, hi, welcome to the single Kafka broker setup in Windows Machine, which is provision in AWS Cloud. Enter. This Windows single Kafka broker is used in the .NET and against C# environments of all Windows applications, especially all healthcare domain companies. Enter. Okay. This is what producer will do. Okay. Now I want to do the consumer. I want to receive the consumer messages. Enter. Then you can cd dot and again come step back again. Kafka bin Windows enter, and again Kafka console consumer Kafka console consumer.bat. I want to do consumer here. Basically, what is the topic name? Topic demo class. Demo class. In this case, I can give the bootstrap server, and again localhost 9092. So in this case, right, I want to do that from the beginning. I can do it out. Else, let it be like this. So now it is coming. Consumer topic demo bootstrap server localhost 9092. Everything is perfect. Yeah. Localhost, all the spelling is correct. Bootstrap server. Okay, fine. I can give it from the beginning. So where it is missing. Bootstrap server is required. Okay. Kafka console consumer bat. Okay. Class from beginning. Okay. I know what is the issue. The issue is hyphen bootstrap server and again localhost. And again the localhost 9092 is a problem here. Enter. So I don't want to from the beginning means you can escape it. So now it is not coming from the beginning. Okay, it is displaying here only. So what I'll do, I'll take it out this producer here, consumer here, and again I'll minimize the main window. And again this is basically I'll do one thing. Left side I'll be putting the producer. So left side is a producer, right side is a consumer, right? So you can minimize this also. See consumer, and again this is producer. Okay, this is producer. Now what I'll do? Hi. So here also again, thank you for demo setup in Windows Node. Enter. So now it is printing here. Thank you for demo setup in Windows Node. This is only from the beginning, and it is not coming from the beginning. Okay, it is coming from here only. So now if I want to get the from the beginning, again click on this, enter, press enter the exit the job. Now we can print out the from the beginning. From beginning. From beginning. So now it will be listing all the messages. See? Yes. It is listing all the messages. See? Now I can print the messages here. This is what Kafka single Kafka broker node setup. Okay. Now quickly I will go back to the main, this one. In this case, I want to check here. So what is that status of this zookeeper node? Anyway, it is listing here. And again, unless it will be listing all the parts. See, now I want to check the brokers. How many brokers are there in the zookeeper? Okay, ls, and again I can give the brokers here. ls brokers, enter. Okay, I want to specify the path HMs. ls brokers. See, and again it will be giving like this. ls brokers IDs 0 IDs, yes, because only one service is right. So that's why. Then again, how many topics? See, consumer offset, demo class 1. These are the two topics. Okay. Now, if you want to print out the sequential ID is a way to print out the sequential ID. Now, after that, get, I will be printing here. I don't have any this one. Okay. Now we can ls listed here. Brokers we did, also cluster also we can do. Okay. ls clusters, ls cluster, and again ID also we can print it out. This is 0 and again empty. Okay. Next I want to find out the consumers. So nothing. Then again after that, admin, delete topics, everything will be there. Okay. Next again, get, I want to get brokers. So get brokers null, and again get cluster null, right? This is exactly where we can check with the commands. Okay. Listing which brokers, all this, set the cluster ID, set the broker ID. Also, we can do it out here. Okay. Now,
Sir, in consumer console, we have already consumed message one time, right? Then why it is still available to consume again from beginning?
again, from beginning in the sense, I want to print all the messages from the beginning. See, these are the beginning messages, right? These are the beginning messages.
But like few message we have consumed above already, right?
No,
But why it is still
it
available?
is not consumed. See, it is consumed only this much.
It
See,
will be
okay.
available, right? If we consume, it will be available for some
Yeah.
until intentional period.
Yes. But if you want
So, sir,
from,
like how much time it would be available?
yeah, it will be like until unless we stop this, what is it? We stop this broker.
Okay.
All right.
Is there any retention period we can set it out?
Yeah, we can set it out retention period like maximum like 8 hours, 16 hours, or like 30 days also we can do it out.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. So this is single Kafka node broker setup in the Windows machine. And again, if you want to access from this outside, minimize this, enter Windows. Now go back to this. We should download this Offset Explorer, even for Windows machine also, even for Linux machine also. This Offset Explorer. Offset Explorer is a tool where we can access from the Kafka nodes and again broker setups in the outside. Okay. So right now I downloaded this Kafka setup, Offset Explorer here. See, Offset Explorer I have downloaded. And again, now I want to connect this machine, okay? Agreed. Already one existing is a cluster. If you want, we can delete this one. Delete connections. Yes, deleted. Then again, cluster, create new connections. Before that, we should take the IPs of this machine. We can make it out. Kafka, Windows, single node. Okay. Then again, take the public IP. Public IP of this machine. Copy this public IP. This is in my machine now I'm doing. Okay. And again, paste the port number 9092. If you have multiple Kafka brokers, comma warranted, you can give this, okay? Ping. If it is working fine, it is listening. Then you can close, host. You can give the host, same thing. IP of this machine. Then again, test. Perfect. So now,
Sure. Can I ask you one question?
yes, please, yeah. Once again, just a moment. Kafka Windows single node. In this case, brokers is ready. And again, topics is also ready. And again, consumers is also ready. Yes, please, please go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, in this consumer and producer, right? Producer basically producer and consumer. So we install the broker Zookeeper on this node, and if you go back to the AWS and I get another EC2 instance and I install the producer there, and can I from the different EC2 machine, can I send the message? Can I produce a message and send it to this topic? And then I can go to the another instance and install the consumer, and then I can consume. Is it something like that I can do? Basically I want to take out the producer and consumer out of this machine and have it anywhere. Now you installed everything on one single PC, right? Consumer, producer, broker, everything.
Those things we can achieve it. So that's what, in the real-time scenarios, we will do the setups for that. And again, we will give the connection to those machines. And again, they'll be writing a code to generate a topics, to create a topics, to produce a messages, to consume messages through coding level.
Okay. So this producer and consumer can be a different machine. It need not to be the same machine, right? It can be anything, basically.
Anything. But in the code level, we should do that one. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So, all right. So this is what entirely single Kafka node broker setup in Windows machine. Is it clear, right, everyone? So all are we good?
Sir, we are going
Yes,
to
sir.
integrate with the microservice API as well, right?
Yes.
Using Java.
During Java also, Node.js also, Python also.
Okay, sir. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
So
Should I
can
need
I send message to any partition? It has to be always one partition.
one topic only, depending upon the topics.
Okay. So I cannot mention any partition. Only mention only topic. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So from offset topic, from the newest, everything is done here. So should I need to continue for the Linux machine also? Or can we continue with it tomorrow?
No, we can continue
We'll
with the
do it
Linux.
tomorrow, sir.
Okay.
We will revise something.
Meanwhile,
Vishwa.
yeah, we need to, sorry. Yeah.
Actually, I'm new to Kafka, so I am unaware of this terminology. So better you explain this architecture end to end, then afterwards installation, I think.
Yeah, so that's why, one setup I did with the Windows machine, and again, now when it go back to this understanding of this first. Okay, first we can see the diagram. Okay, where is it? My diagram.
Sir, can you share the document?
Yeah, sure. I'll share the documentations. See.
Oh.
See, basically the diagram looks like this. Simple way. Okay. Brokers, producers, consumers. What is this brokers? Brokers are nothing but just a nodes. Inside this node, see, broker one means machine number one. Like this now, Windows machine one is the right, one single Kafka broker node. Same thing, if we have a 3 single Kafka broker nodes, we can make it out broker 3 nodes like this. Okay. Right now, what we have in my architecture, I'll show in this case, paint. What I did in my lab, see, basically, This is, sorry. This is one single, this is complete architecture. In this case, what I did, I have only one single Kafka node. This is generally we call it as a Kafka broker. Kafka broker.
Okay.
Okay. This one is Kafka broker. This is Kafka broker node. Okay. Inside this, we have a one topic we created. Okay. Inside this, we created one topic. And again, inside this subtopics also we created a multiple partitions. I created the 5 partitions here. Okay. I'll make it out the huge diagram here. One second. I can make it out like this. This is completely. And again, in this case, what I did, okay, like this. This is one Kafka broker node. Next, I created one topic. And again, after that, I created the 5 partitions. Messages can be sent through topics also. We can send it through partitions also. Okay. Now, this is the terminologies are very important here. Kafka broker node 1. Okay. In this case, this is a topic. This is a topic. These are partitions. Partitions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. These are the partitions. Now, what I do, producers. These producers can be standalone producers groups, or it's like only producers. Okay. And again, consumers, and again, consumer groups. Okay. Now, what I'll do, this guy automatically will be sending the topic. And again, this guy is ready to receive the topics 1 to 1. This is one producer. This is one consumer. He can receive the topics with one consumer and again with one topic. Okay. Or else the second guy, what he'll do, he can send the data to the partitions. And again, this guy can be receiving the data from this one also. Right. And again, now inside this is one consumer. This is the producers generally. Okay. These are producers. Producers might be any source path. Okay. These are consumers. Right. In these consumers, these are consumer groups. These are consumer groups. Inside these consumer groups, we have like, 2 more groups, 2 more like this also we'll be having. Okay. Multiple groups due to this diagram. Okay. Anyway, so now I can receive the partition topic from here also. From this, I can receive this guy also. And again, from this guy also, I can receive it. From this guy also, I can receive like this. These are consumer groups. Okay. Like this. And again, this topics also, we can receive to this guy also. This is producers, consumers, and again, broker means one machine. Topic, broker node, topics, partitions. These are the terminologies are very important. Clear? This is called as one complete cluster. This is called as one
topic and partition having the similar role, right? Then why we have differentiated both?
Sorry?
The topic and partition, okay, producer is sending and consumer is consuming, right? Then why we have differentiated it? Like why we are separating it? We can use topic only, right? What a job topic can do, which partition also can do, right? And
Yes.
what a job partition is doing, that topic also can do, right? So why we are not using only one?
Okay, see, I want to see, good question, but the thing is, I can send you messages through the topic wise, right? Which messages are published. But in this case, subset is also a subset of a topic is called as a partitions. Or generally, partitions are nothing but it is a subset of a topic. I mean, what is the part of data? What is the part of data? Suppose example, if I send a message, hi, welcome to the world of Kafka Zookeeper. If I send this message fully to the topic, what these partitions will do, subset of topics. It will be taking the messages welcome, and again, welcome to the node. All the subtopics will be taking the individual messages to the partitions. That is what this case, okay? And
So
again, this
message is split into partitions.
partitions also.
Okay,
So
so if I'm sending the message to topic, so that would be available for all the partition.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
yeah. It will be distributing the load of the topic generally.
Sir,
so there will
like
be threshold limit and it will be dividing that into small chunks into partitions.
sir, multiple consumer can consume the message from one topic, right? That also
Yes,
possible.
they can consume it. It's not an issue. Yeah. All right.
And
So
sir, can you also elaborate like a replica here, like in this diagram, like what is the benefit of replica?
sorry.
Replicas we are creating, right? 5 replicas.
Yes, see,
Oh,
replication factors are nothing but just like, we'll be adding like, Kafka broker node 1, Kafka broker node 2, Kafka broker node 3. And again, we'll be adding the 3 nodes. And again, what we'll do, and again, Zookeeper node 1, Zookeeper node 2, Zookeeper node 3. And again, to handle the traffic between these 3 broker nodes, we'll be setting the Zookeeper nodes. And again, meanwhile, if this one Kafka broker node breaks down, automatically one more broker node will be taking up. That is a scenario 1, or else scenario 2. If Kafka broker node 1, when topic is got deleted, automatically it will be replicated to the broker node 2. That is the application factors. Okay.
so always it will look first the node 1 and then it will go for the node 2, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So it is not using the round robin technology.
No, it's a round robin technologies only, because see, basically node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, right? If suppose node 1 is, take an example now, node 1, okay? In the node 1, if I send a messages, automatically it will be going to the node 2. But if the node 1 is active, it will go to the node 2. If the node 2 is activated, it will go to the node 3. If the node 3 is activated, it will go to the node 1. The same thing only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any confusions till now?
My doubt is that if these nodes are busy, how this will handle this queuing mechanism of these messages?
Sorry, Samuel, can you please come again?
If this broker node is busy, so how these topics will get queued up here? I mean, how that will go into different nodes?
Okay. So in this case, if we planned with like replication factors, it will be taking the round login oils. Okay. That's one of the main thing. Round login wise, it will be going to that.
Okay.
So any confusions till now? I need to wind up. Basically, I have some other class. Yeah. Chindati. Any
I
confusions?
mean, what are the classes you are covering?
No. Today is also demo class. Tomorrow
Okay,
is the live classes.
tomorrow is the live class. Okay, in this Kafka, I mean, are you covering any Spring Boot with Kafka?
Yes, Kafka with the Java Spring Boot microservices application, and again one is the Python application, and again Node.js application. 3 applications.
Okay, thank you.
So any confusions, anyone?
Kafka streams data processing we cover right here.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Okay, thank you, and thank you everyone. So if we don't have any dots, we'll discontinue.
Yeah,
Sir, can you create one WhatsApp group?
thank you so much.
Okay, sure. Because I will give them my number. Please, anyone can take the ownership. So because I have one second. This is my number.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
When you get the chance, can you share the document, Vishwa?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I will share the link tomorrow. I will create group.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. So have a great day.